The new DJI Pocket 4 is finally here, and it's already going up against the powerful Insta360 X5. But these two cameras are built for completely different styles. One gives you smooth, cinematic footage with a built-in gimbal, while the other captures everything around you in full 360. So, which one should you actually buy? In this video, we'll do a full in-depth comparison, from design and video quality to stabilization, features, and real-world use to help you pick the right camera for your needs. Welcome to Smart Tech Radar, and subscribe for more updates. Pocket 4 or Insta360 X5? Which one's your pick? Comment below and subscribe to Smart Tech Radar.